Family was good, and you already know CJ 2021 crazy flow when I'm back like I never left. I got a box of shoes over here to my left, but here we go. It's gonna be another review, and we're unboxing not one but two pairs of shoes for you. Do a little review. I hope this box came with some toys too. Woo! Rebels, you know what time it is. Video up. Let's get to it. What's good, Rebels? What's up? It's your boy CJ McGill back with another video for you today, Rebels. What's good, man? Welcome to 2021, second week into the new year. Yes, guys, I have been a little bit off of YouTube for the first week or so just because your boy was, getting over a cold. Luckily, it wasn't that other thing that's going around in the whole world. It was just a mild cold. Getting over it, man. But we are getting to it. Guys, before we even get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video. Make sure you like and check out the other videos, guys. We are on the road to 300 subscribers on the channel. We are on the road to 20,000 views over here in Rebel Gang, guys. Much appreciation to everybody out there. It does not go unnoticed. Like I say all the time, Rebels, this is a channel for us. This is not a channel just for your boy. This is a channel for all Rebels, all sneakerheads of all walks of life. So guys, appreciate it. Hit that like button. Make sure you comment and subscribe to the channel. Also, Rebels, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Mac the Rebel. All right, for Twitter, just put an underscore at the end of the name. So Rebels, look, what's got me so hyped? You guys have already seen the thumbnail, but by the time I create the thumbnail for this video, I would have not done the unboxing yet, if that makes any sense. So the thumbnail that you're going to see, as I'm shooting this video, I don't know what's in this box yet. I know what the box is, I know what pack it is, but I don't know exactly all of the details that are in the box, if that makes any sense. What am I even talking about? So Rebels, I have always wanted the green Air Max 97s that dropped a couple years back from Undefeated. Couldn't get my hands on them, wasn't going to pay that crazy resale price, even though I feel like the shoe is justified for that price, but that's a whole different story. Anyways, guys, as some sneakerheads know who had their eyes set on the Air Max 97s from Undefeated, they dropped their Undefeated exclusive pack on undefeated.com. Now, here's the crazy thing about it. They were dropping both the black and Volt green colorway as well as the militia green colorway in a pack together for the total of $360 plus shipping and tax. Some of those packs came with the Undefeated limited edition toys. One of the main reasons why I want that pack, why I bought this pack, is because I wanted those toys. So guys, we are doing an unboxing of that pack literally right now. It just got in from UPS. I am hoping that I got the toys in this box. I wear a size 12 and the box doesn't look like it's big enough to fit two size 12 shoes and toys. It looks like it's just big enough for just the shoes, but we're going to see. Box right here. Go ahead and take this label off, because tell you guys right now, don't none of y'all need to know where the heck I live. And let's go ahead and get to it, shall we? Y'all, please let these, man, listen, let these toys be in this box. I don't know why. I just got a feeling I'm gonna be really upset, because had that been the case, some people don't know, but the militia green colorway of the pack actually came out by itself literally the next day. Now, would I have probably gotten the black pair too? Probably so, but something about when it comes with the special packaging and comes with the toys, it just means a little bit more. So guys, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Come on, Undefeated. Please bless your boy, man. Please tell me I got the toys in here. They didn't send me the toys. They did not send me the Undefeated toys. Dog, Undefeated, come on, man. Like, bro, the reason why people went for the pack is so they could have it. They sent me two pairs of shoes, guys. They sent me two pairs of shoes. So, Rebels, let's switch gears, man. Let's get into it. Ain't no need to feel defeated. No pun intended. No need to feel defeated about this because we still have two really dope shoes we are unboxing. We're going to be doing a review today, guys, on the Air Max 97 Undefeated in its militia green and its black and Volt colorway. Let's get into it. Check out this B-roll. Let's go. Alright, Rebels, now that we're back, you already know what we're talking about. You've already seen the thumbnail. You've already read the description. You've already read the title. It is time for us to take a look, to do an in-depth review of the Air Max 97s in their undefeated colorways. Okay, let's go and get that thumbnail. Let's get into it, man. We are talking about the Air Max 97 in their undefeated colorways. We got the black and the Volt over here, man. We got the olive green, the militia green over here. Size 12s for your boy. Let me go ahead and, get them laces, get them tongues up a little bit so we can really see what this shoe is about. I gotta say, man, the shoes are actually not that bad. Now, for a $360 pack, I would just expect a little bit more. For example, the box that it came in, it was just two pairs of shoes inside of a box. That was literally it. There was no special packaging. You know how like the Jordan boxes came in back in the day, the Jordan packs came. Something a little bit more special, man. A little bit of a story behind these. That would have been pretty dope. But I digress. It didn't come with it, guys. Let's keep it moving. Air Max 97 Undefeated in its militia green colorway and its black and Volt colorway, guys. Two really dope shoes. If you can get your hands on these, I say go for it. I think right now the green pair is only going for about 200 to 230 right now on the resale market, and the black pair I think is actually going at retail right now. Militia green colorway was the more popular color because, as y'all know, Undefeated is known for their olive green colorways and accessories and things like that. It is a very popular color that Undefeated utilizes. The black and Volts are really clean too. If you're looking for that neon pop to a black shoe, this is a good shoe to go with, guys. Let's go ahead and get into the review, fam. Let's go ahead and talk about these shoes real quick, man. I'm actually a little impressed. So for those who were thinking maybe I won't get this, maybe I'll pass on them, I get it because they're not the most hyped Undefeated shoe ever, but don't regret not getting this shoe, guys. And then 2 years later you're like, damn, I wish I would have got those Undefeated 97s, that black and that green pair. We got the militia green and the black and Volt pair. They are literally the exact same shoe. On the toe boxes, they both have a really clean mesh liner on the toe boxes. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So you got Undefeated wrapped around the upper of the shoe on that black line right there, guys. You have that top unit right here wrapped in mesh to give your shoe that breathability, to give it that comfort factor that most Air Maxes are known to have. Lace locks, everything going up the shoe in a traditional olive green setting. Black threads to encompass that Nike logo right here with that orange. Good, that's really clean, man. That is a really clean shoe with that green, that orange. This is a dope shoe, guys. Let's take it to the bottom. Traditional black Air Max 97 bottom that we're used to seeing on almost all Air Max 97s, okay? Orange Nike check, orange color right here on the bottom of the palette as well. So you have that, all right? And of course, on the green pair, the Air unit is actually an olive green on the inside, okay? And then the midsole is white, and then of course you got that Nike branding all over the shoe. So you have your Nike checks right here on both sides, and you have your Nike check right here on the tongue, and you have that Undefeated logo right there on the pull tab on the tongue as well. Not to mention, guys, you have a Nike Undefeated co-branding logo on the interior of the shoe also. But yeah, Rebels, that is the green pair. On the black pair, do have the exact same setup with regards to the shoe, with regards to the materials. All right, now one thing I will say about the materials that's really dope, it's a really good mix of leather and mesh. The midsole right here is leather. All right, it's a really clean traditional leather, and then on top of that, on the top part of the upper, you have a really clean green mesh on the two layer lines right here, and then the tongue is straight up mesh all the way through. The interior is a felt-like material to give your shoe that comfort. In the back, it does say Air Max, like all Air Max 97s say. You also have the Volt pair too. Major differences between the two is that the Volt pair does have Undefeated written on the upper, but it's in a Volt colorway. So as you guys can see right here, Undefeated is written in Volt going all the way around the upper. All right, you got Nike checks again on both sides. This time they're in white, that olive green encompassing them. And then of course on the tongue, you have that Nike check in that Volt green with the Undefeated logo also in Volt green. Air Max on the back in Volt green, and on the inside you have co-branding with Nike and Undefeated also in Volt green as well. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, really dope shoe, but I will say this, Undefeated, you gotta give everybody those toys, man. If you're able to advertise a special pack, give everybody the toys, guys. But yeah, Rebels, really dope shoes, guys. If you were able to get your hands on these, man, definitely do it. Air Max 97s are traditionally a comfortable shoe. When we're talking about these sneakers, one thing you definitely want to pay attention to with an Air Max 97 is how the jean or how your jogger or how your pants lay on the shoe. So the shoe, I like to say, is flat tongued. It doesn't have a whole bunch of lift on that back heel tab part like a Jordan 1 high, how it comes up high, nor does the tongue come straight up like a Jordan 1 high either. So me personally, I would honestly wear a fitted jean, tapered, all right, that actually sit nicely on top of the Air Max 97. All right, I actually may curl it up a little bit so it fits right over my ankle so you can see the sock a little bit and just rock it like that. All right, same thing with the black and Volt pair, guys. I'm gonna be honest, you can definitely get away with a lot more color combinations on the Militia pair just because of its very neutral tone setting. So if you want to do like a light denim wash, you could probably get away with it depending on how your sweater or your shirt or your jacket goes with that. Black goes with everything, guys. So you can definitely do a black jean, a black jogger. You know, summertime's coming up, so I know me personally, I'll definitely be rocking my black cutoff jeans with these. These are the pairs right here, guys. Black and Volt on this side, Militia green on this side, orange, Volt green highlights. All right, oh, the bottom of the Volt is actually Volt colorway too. You know, it didn't come with the special packaging boxes like, you know, you would traditionally see, but the boxes are still pretty cool. The one thing I do like about it is that I do appreciate the fact that it did not come in just a traditional flip up lid Nike box. So you have the Nike branding bubbled on the top of the box. Then you have Undefeated going across the long sides of the box, guys. So you have Undefeated right here, and then you turn the box around, you have Undefeated on that side also. The tag does read Nike Air Max 97, Undefeated, black, Volt, Militia, green, white, personal pair for your boy. All right, and then the other box that came inside of the box, same exact thing, guys, nothing different. It would have been dope to actually have a Militia green box, and then maybe they could have made this box like a Volt like yellow color, or maybe made Nike in a Volt color and put Undefeated in a Volt color, you know, just to change it up a little bit. And then this one reads Nike Air Max 97 Undefeated, Militia green and black, and flame orange. Cool. These are the boxes right here, guys. Both pairs of shoes that came in the Nike Air Max 97 Undefeated pack. Rebels, let me know in the comment section, guys, were you able to get your hands on the Air Max 97 pack? Is this a shoe that you even wanted? I know a lot of people were like, they don't even care to have it, because some people actually have the OG 97 Undefeateds. Some people just, you know, didn't want them at all. They said they were lame, they said they were whack, which is cool. The shoes came out great. Undefeated, you guys did a great job with this shoe, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm actually glad to have my hands on both pairs. I'm actually going to wear both pairs. Can't wait to put together an outfit, especially with the Militia green pair. I think I got an outfit in mind for this one too. I know a lot of people were like, they thought this one was ugly, but when you get it in hand, guys, your mind changes. When you get these shoes in hand, it changes a little bit, all right? But yeah, Rebels, let me know what you think in the comments below. Were you able to get your hands on the Nike Air Max 97 Undefeateds? Are you looking forward to getting your hands on them if you haven't done so already while they're at that low price on the resale market? Did you get your hands on the UCLA pair, that white pair, which is really dope as well? Hopefully I'll be able to get my hands on those pretty soon. But yeah, Rebels, let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's have a discussion about it. You guys already know how we get down in Rebel Gang. It's your boy CJ McGill. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, guys, at Mac the Rebel. That's MACTHE Rebel. For Twitter, just put an underscore at the end of the name. So Rebels, with that being said, man, this has been another review from your boy. Guys, thank you again as always for checking out another video. Guys, I appreciate everything that we are doing over here in Rebel Gang. It does not go unnoticed. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my little bitty heart. I love you guys for real, man. We are on the road to 300 subscribers, guys, so make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Like some videos. Make sure you check out all the other videos on the channel so you're caught up on everything that we got going on over here in Rebel Gang. So with that being said, Rebels, it's your boy CJ McGill checking out with another one, and I'll see you in the next one, and we out. Peace.